Hey guys, how's it going? How's your English coming along? Did you understand the question? Let's see. Because today's lesson is about this phrasal verb to come along. To come along.
How's your wedding coming along?
Great. Great. She's a doctor.
That's outstanding.
Yeah.
Marriage is an important part of getting ahead.
So to come along means to advance or improve, to make progress. So when I ask you, how's your English coming along? I just wanted to know if you made any progress with your English. Here are some more examples. How's your project coming along? It's coming along pretty well. I've almost finished it. How's your research paper coming along? To be honest, not that great. I feel like I haven't made much progress. That's your lesson for today, guys. So answer the question, how's your English coming along? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you soon.